Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can import and apply LUTs to your videos and make it more cinematics in the CapCut PC. So here I've already opened my project, my video to the CapCut PC, and first I'm going to show you how to import the LUTs. So here what you need to do is go to the adjustment menu at the top here on the left panel, and here click on LUT. Okay, so I've already import one, but I'm going to show you again. So you'll find an import button here on the LUT. Click on that, and then just select the LUTs file on your computer. So for example, I want to add the scenic hold here. Click on the file, click on open. Okay, so now the LUT has been imported to the CapCut PC, and to apply it, you can just easily click on the plus icon in here, or you can also click on your clip and then go to adjustment. Under the basic here, you'll find LUTs option. Make sure that you turn on the LUT, and here the name is still none. So you just need to click on the drop down and then choose on the LUT that you want to use. So for example, I want to use the Cinecold. Click on that. Just like that, it will easily apply to your clip, and you can always adjust the strength or the intensity of how much the LUTs will apply to your clips. You can also use keyframe to adjust it more. So for example, for the beginning, I'm going to use 100 for the LUTs, and I'm going to move forward and lower the strength of the LUTs like this, and it will change accordingly. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!